Hi everyone and welcome back to Homeheadchef. Today we're going to be making cookies and cream butter. If you're not familiar with what a cookie butter is, it's cookies that have been mashed up and mixed together and it makes almost a spread like Nutella or a dip. So we're going to be making our cookies and cream. We're going to need a few ingredients. Let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. We're going to start by working on the cookie portion of the cookies and cream butter. And for that we're going to need 15 Oreos, a quarter cup of heavy cream, and 2 tablespoons of oil. We're going to take our Oreos and we're going to go into a blender and we're going to pulse these and crush them till they're a fine consistency. And that right there is the consistency we're looking for. Now we're going to add in our heavy cream and our oil and we're going to mix this again until it has a batter-like consistency. And that right there is the consistency we're looking for. Now we're going to work on the cream part. Now we're going to work on the cream part. We need 1/4 a cup of unsalted butter softened, 1/4 a cup of vegetable shortening, 1 3/4 cups of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now with a hand mixer or a stand mixer, we're going to start by beating our vegetable shortening and our butter for about a minute or until it's light and creamy. Next we're going to add in our vanilla and our powdered sugar a little bit at a time, and we're going to put this back on the mixer until we get our cream filling. That's the consistency that we're looking for with our cream. Now we're going to place both of these into separate piping bags. Now there's many different ways to plate this or to set it up. I like to put it in mason jars, put a lid on it, and give it as a gift. But since we have it in our piping bags, we're going to start by piping it in kind of on an angle. So that way we get the 2 different fillings that you can see through the glass. Take it right to the top. Perfect. And then just gonna go in with our cream as well. Just get down in there and pipe it in. There you have it. That's our cookies and cream butter. Alright, let's get a taste. I'm gonna go in with the graham cracker. Get a little bit of the chocolate, a little bit of the cream. Alright, let's dig in. This is good. Better than an Oreo. It's rich, it's creamy, you only need a little bit. It's gonna make a fantastic dip for a party or a get together. It's gonna make a great little gift for the holiday season. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If so, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. You can also check us out on Facebook at Homeheadchef. If you're into the outdoors, you can check out my hunting and fishing channel called the BackwoodzSquad. I'll drop a link in the description. Thanks for stopping in. We'll see you next time.